Kinderland I'm still involved with because, again, like I've said, if I wanted to be there for my grandchildren, you need to support it now. If my grandfather hadn't been in the group that helped to found it, it wouldn't have been there. If my parents hadn't been there in the really dark days when we were trying to, when it went from 600 kids before the McCarthy witch hunts to 90, 50, 70, 90 kids after the witch hunts. If they hadn't been involved and on the board and trying to push after, in the years after that and keeping it alive somehow, it wouldn't have been there. So I do my part. How do you ensure continuity? How do you make these organizations continue and not only continue but keep them meaningful and important to the world today? Again, when we see the things that are going on in Kinderland about the young people caring and thinking and looking at, just yesterday at Visiting Day in Kinderland, there was somebody who just said, we've been involved with Amnesty International for a long time. The camp and the campers have a group that meets year-round that works on progressive causes. But we discovered that Amnesty doesn't have a trade union organization within it that looks at the abuse around the world of trade unionists, which is rampant today. It's ongoing as it was here in America in the 30s and the 20s. And the kids wrote a letter and had sent off a letter to Amnesty saying you should create a commission, a program within it looking at these trade unionists. Now, so do I think that we're progressive? Yes, I think we're doing it.